NanoKlean Scratch Remover Cloth is marketed as a reusable cloth that supposedly removes car scratches instantly without tools, paint, or expensive detailing. But the real question is, does it actually work? Or is it another viral auto-cleaning gimmick? Now, to be fair, these cloths are not completely fake. Many contain mild polishing compounds or chemical agents that can genuinely reduce the visibility of light surface imperfections. What it does well can improve very light surface marks. If the scratch is shallow and only affects the clear coat, the cloth may help reduce its appearance by polishing the surface. Works reasonably well on paint transfer and scuffs. Many users notice the best results on light paint transfer, minor scrapes, oxidation, or marks caused by other objects rubbing against the car. Where it falls short, it cannot fix deep scratches. This is the biggest issue. If the scratch cuts through the clear coat into the paint or metal, no cloth can truly repair the damage. Marketing videos are heavily exaggerated. Many ads show dramatic, instant repair transformations that look closer to edited demonstrations than realistic everyday results. Some improvements may only be temporary. Certain cloths mainly fill scratches with oils or polishing residue, meaning the marks may reappear after washing the car. So, does the NanoKlean Scratch Remover Cloth actually work? Short answer, yes for tiny surface marks, no for real paint damage. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.